So I've got a few tricks up my sleeves to ensure that your moi moi remains buttery, fluffy, and super delicious. The first one would be that you're going to start by melting some whipped butter in a microwave or overheat. Now, the second thing is that the ratio of onions to bawa, to pepper, and tatashe in your moi moi mix actually determines how the total outcome would be. I would recommend you use enough onions because it adds a sweetness to it. Now, enough bawa because it improves the color and the appearance, and of course the pepper adds heat that helps to amplify the flavors. Now, you want to blend this into a very smooth paste, and I would always blend my moi moi mix with my fish stock and some coconut milk. But I'll say this, that if you're going to store this moi moi for a long time and you want the shelf life to be much longer, skip the coconut milk and just stick to using the meat stock. Okay, now for spices, you honestly do not need more than curry powder, seasoning cubes, and your melted butter to, get your moi moi to taste absolutely delicious. Remember to whip as much air into this so that it allows it to be fluffy. Now, another thing to note is the consistency of your butter should never be too runny, because if it is too runny, it is going to take forever to cook and the general outcome will just not be appealing. If it is too thick, it is not going to be fluffy, and when it gets cold, it's going to be hard, and you don't want that. Now, what you see here is the perfect consistency for your moi moi. So I decided to show you guys that you can also bake it at this consistency and you can steam it at this consistency. I promise you, if you make it like this, you would come back to thank me. Now, if you want to learn this and 170 other amazing recipes and stand a chance to win a brand new food truck of 5 million naira, click on the link in my bio now to register for my class today.